Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to do cleaning cycles on an Epson XP-6105. Now this is nice and simple, it could be done from the machine itself using the buttons on the front of the printer. Now if you're not already on the home screen, it's looking something like this, just press that home button to get there, and then we're going to move along to the right using the arrow keys on the printer itself until we get to maintenance. Once you've got maintenance selected, press OK, and the printhead cleaning is the second option down. Now we'll press OK to go into that. Now this cleaning cycle pushes fresh ink into the printer's printhead to hopefully dislodge any kind of blockages or anything you've got there. So if you've got lines across your prints, or even missing colours, or something doesn't look quite right, I'd recommend doing this. So we're going to press OK to start. Now this will take the printer just a couple minutes. Now your machine will make some noises, don't worry about that. Now when it's done, your printer will automatically give you the option to perform a nozzle check pattern, which breaks down the colours presented by your printer. The nozzle check pattern breaks down the colours like this, so you can see where the problem lies. If there is indeed a problem with any colour in the printer, you'll have missing lines or stripes, or sometimes even just an entirely missing colour for more severe issues. But most issues can be resolved with another clean if that doesn't help, but if you're having persistent issues with a particular colour not coming through, it might be worthwhile trying another cartridge. But hopefully you found this helpful. If you have, please do let us know with a like. If there's anything else you'd like to know, please do let us know in the comments. Otherwise, thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.